Egypt is a country located in the northeastern corner of Africa. The Nile River Valley and Delta, which is Egypt's heartland, was the home of one of the principal civilizations of the ancient Middle East. Egypt holds some of the world's most astounding archaeological discoveries, and undoubtedly, a visit to the tombs, temples, and museums is a must-do. However, these popular attractions can get overwhelmingly crowded. Step away from tourist crowds and discover the rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty of Egypt's hidden gems. Saqqara is south of the pyramids of Giza and is Egypt's largest and most fruitful archaeological site. For over 3,500 years, it has been an active burial ground, producing groundbreaking discoveries such as wooden coffins, mummies, bronze statues, and cheese pots from the 26th dynasty. The Step Pyramid of Djoser, the world's oldest pyramid and ancient stone structure, can be found here. Following a 14-year-long renovation, it was reopened in 2020. Despite its proximity to Giza, Saqqara receives fewer visitors. If you like el-khalili, try Manial Palace. Cairo's bustling marketplace, el-khalili, is a labyrinthine collection of shops that line narrow, cobbled alleyways and spill through keyhole arches. Visit Manial Palace, one of Cairo's best-kept secrets. The palace walls are adorned with beautiful tiles, and some of the ceilings are made from intricately carved wood and muqarnas, stalactite vaulting. The sunlight filters through panes of vividly colored window glass, casting colorful constellations on the enormous Turkish carpets. Manial Palace is undoubtedly one of the most stunning and unusual places to visit in Cairo. Papyrus Museum and tour of perfume and essence factory. Discover the secrets of ancient Egyptian craftsmanship at the papyrus and perfume factories. Learn to make traditional papyrus paper and witness the skillful techniques used to craft delicate perfume bottles. Immerse yourself in history and indulge in the same flower extracts used by legendary queens Cleopatra and Nefertiti. Looking for an authentic culinary experience in Cairo? Look no further than a local restaurant serving up one of Egypt's most beloved street foods, kashari. This hearty dish of rice, lentils, chickpeas, pasta noodles, and spicy tomato sauce, topped with crispy fried onions, is not only delicious, but also a vegetarian option that can be hard to come by in Egypt. Discover the vibrant Imbaba neighborhood in the heart of Cairo and indulge in the flavorful Egyptian street food at Kebdet El Prince. Experience the quintessential Cairene sensory overload while dining at this bustling joint. Start with the basics: malokia, jute mallow, kebda, liver, and sogo, sausage. More adventurous foodies should try mambar, stuffed sausage. After satisfying your taste buds, treat yourself to a delicious dessert at El Malki next door and conclude your meal with a refreshing mint tea from the cafe across the street. Cairo is also home to the beautifully restored Wekalet El Gouri Arts Center, which hosts a wide array of cultural events. Here, you can see an unforgettable Tanura show, a whirling dervish performance that merges Egyptian folklore and Sufi spiritual chants. This colorful and mesmerizing one-hour experience is a must-see for anyone visiting Cairo. One of the most unique places to visit in Cairo is the Cave Church. The Cave, also known as the Monastery of St. Simon, is located in the Mokattam Mountain in southeastern Cairo, and the largest cave church among all churches in Cairo. It can seat 20,000 people, which also makes it the largest church in the Middle East.